Hamjambo, karibuni tena kwa darasa letu la leo, sawa? Leo tunajifunza kuhusu vivumishi viashiria. Vivumishi viashiria. These are the demonstrative adjectives in Swahili, sawa? Demonstrative adjectives, they show where something is. And we have three categories in Swahili. In English, I think there are only two categories, this and that. But in Swahili, when we have something is near, something is a little bit far, and something is very far. How do you say when something is near? How do you point at it? How do you point or illustrate or show something is a little bit far and something is very far in Swahili? Okay, so this one, the general things are called demonstrative, and in Swahili they are called viashiria. But when we say vivumishi adjective, it's when you mention a noun first in Swahili. So you have to mention a noun first, then you mention those demonstrative, then they change to become demonstrative adjectives. So that is why they are called like that in Swahili. Vivumishi viashiria. Vivumishi are the adjectives. Now we have these. Remember, in this class we are talking about the Mua class. This is to do with animals, human beings, birds. You know, names of animals, names of human beings, names of birds, insects. We have here karibu. Karibu means near. When something is near, how do you point at it? You say huyu or hawa. So if is a person is near, then you say huyu. So huyu. If there are many, then you say hawa. Hawa. So hawa. We have this part, mbali kidogo, a little bit far. Mbali kidogo, a little bit far. Huyo, you say huyo. If it's a person, you say huyo, or if it's an animal, you say huyo. Sawa, if it's one. And if there are many, then you say how. How. Sawa, how. Na tunakuja hapa, mbali sana. Mbali sana, you say yule. Sawa, yule. Yule. Then if there are many, you say wale. Wale. Sawa, wale. Those. So those. So here huyu means this very near. Then hawa, this, plural. Huyo, that, a little bit far. How, those, a little bit far. Then yule, that one, and very far, is very far. Then wale, those one, very far. So they are very far. I know maybe you are wondering what is karibu here. Karibu means welcome, and it also means near. Sawa, near. Mimi nimesimama karibu na ubao. I'm standing near to the board. Karibu na ubao. Sawa, karibu. Then karibu also means nearly. Nearly. When I say karibu nianguke, it means I nearly fell. I nearly fell. Karibu. It has a lot of meanings. Karibu. So, we have examples for this demonstrative adjective here. The first one, mwalimu huyu anatoka Kenya. Mwalimu huyu anatoka Kenya. Mwalimu huyu anatoka Kenya. This teacher is from Kenya. When I say huyu mwalimu anatoka Kenya, then this one doesn't become vivumishi, doesn't become adjective. But when I start with mwalimu and I say huyu, then it becomes adjective. Mwalimu huyu anatoka Kenya. This teacher is from Kenya. Mwalimu huyu anatoka Kenya. If there are many teachers, walimu hawa wanatoka Kenya. Sawa, walimu hawa wanatoka Kenya. Mtoto huyu ni wangu. Mtoto huyu ni wangu. Watoto hawa ni wetu. Ours. Mtoto huyu, this child, ni wangu, is mine. Mtoto, the child, huyu, this, ni wangu. Ni is wangu, mine. Watoto hawa ni wetu. These children are children here. So we don't say these here. This is children. These ni wetu. This is plural for plural. Hawa. These. Watoto hawa ni wetu. These children are ours. So, these children are ours. Let's have this huyo. Huyo. Mwanafunzi huyo anasoma. Sawa? Mwanafunzi huyo anasoma. Kwa wingi, wanafunzi hao wanasoma. Wanafunzi hao wanasoma. Mwanafunzi huyo anasoma. That student is reading. That student is reading. And the plural part, wanafunzi hao wanasoma. Wanafunzi hao wanasoma. So, those students are reading. Let's have the example for this one, the third part. Mbali sana, very far. When here I say mwanafunzi huyo anasoma, the student is not very far, it's a little bit far. And here wanafunzi hao wanasoma, they are a little bit far, and they are many. So, let's have the example for this third part here. Daktari yule anatembea haraka. Daktari yule anatembea haraka. In plural, madaktari wale wanatembea haraka. Sawa? Wanatembea haraka. Tembea pole pole. Tembea haraka. Madaktari wale wanatembea haraka. Daktari yule anatembea haraka. Madaktari wale wanatembea haraka. Sawa. Madaktari wale wanatembea haraka. So daktari, doctor, anatembea, he's walking haraka, fast. And yule is that. He's very far. So you say daktari yule. So, daktari yule. And if there are many, madaktari wale, the doctors, they are very far. Madaktari wale. And and remember, as just I am emphasizing, if you want to use it as an adjective, then you have to mention the noun first, then the demonstrative, okay? Otherwise, you can just say yule daktari, wale madaktari. Yule daktari anakuja, yule daktari anatembea haraka, wale madaktari wanatembea haraka, okay? So this is all about this lesson. Sawa? This is all about this lesson. Vivumishi viashiria. Sawa? I also want you to just make sentences of your own and include this. I want you to make, if you're a good student, sawa, you're committed to learning Swahili, use these three. Not three. Use this all. You are a good student, you want to become a native Swahili speaker, then form 6 sentences using the first one. One sentence in the singular form, another in the plural form, another in the singular form, plural form, singular form, plural form, a total of 6 sentences, okay? So let me check in the comment section below. Otherwise, kwaherini, kuwa na wakati mwema, sawa?